I wish him the best. I was governor for more than 10 years, and I think Matthew will do a good job also. Ang being governor kasi is a 24/7 duty. Alam niyo naman, mayor ako, governor ako dito. Ako nangunguna sa mga rescue, maski na anong mangyari dyan, disaster, maski nung maraming NPA. Pumunta ako sa bundok para kain sila bumaba at bumabangalat sila. Sinunog pa yung 6 na bus namin nung para takutin na ako. Ganun ang gobernur eh. So ako, medyo ayoko na dahil galing na ako dun. I may not be able to give 100% of my time dahil at my age, gusto ko naman yung pa-relax na eh. So advice ko kay Matthew, is even older than when I started as mayor at 28, kaya yan. Magsilbi sa tao. I wish him the best for the good of our province. He is now being crowned. The seat of the governorship is given to him unopposed. So, yun, mandate of the people na rin yan dahil ako, part of the people that are rooting for me are saying, bigay na lang natin sa kanila dahil he deserves naman, okay naman.